Understanding the phrase, season generously, in cooking. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a flavorful topic that often pops up in cooking shows and recipes. We'll explore the meaning and usage of the phrase, season generously. This is a common term in culinary contexts, but it can be quite confusing for English language learners. So, let's unravel its meaning together. Season generously is a phrase that combines two words, season and generously. To understand this phrase, we need to look at each word separately. Season, in cooking, means to add flavors to food. This can be through salt, herbs, spices, or other flavorings. Generously refers to the quantity. It means to do something in a liberal or ample manner, without skimping. When combined, season generously means to add a liberal amount of seasoning to enhance the flavor of the food. This phrase is often used in recipes or cooking instructions. But how do you know how much is generous? Here's the catch. It's subjective. Generously can vary depending on personal taste and the type of seasoning. A rule of thumb: start with a little, taste, and add more as needed. It's about finding a balance that enhances the flavors without overpowering the dish. Consider the dish. Some dishes, like a hearty stew, may require more seasoning compared to a delicate salad. In different cultures, the concept of generously can vary. This is important for language learners to understand. Cultural variations. In some cuisines, a generous seasoning might mean lots of herbs and spices, while in others, it could be more about salt and pepper. Linguistic context. The phrase is a great example of how English uses adverbs to modify verbs, providing more information about the action. We hope this video has shed light on the flavorful phrase, season generously. Remember, cooking is an art, and language plays a significant role in expressing culinary techniques. Keep experimenting with both your cooking and language skills. Happy cooking and learning!